Imagine being able to wake up excited about your day ahead. Can I get permission to be open and honest with you right now? If not, you can skip this video. Being part of the digital economy, I have seen firsthand how creating an automatic system to do the work for you so you have time to do what you love is the way forward, especially in today's digital economy. I'm not sure if you've experienced this, but I don't think I felt any more unfulfilled than I did working in my 9-to-5 job, doing the same thing every single day for 6 years. How's that for feeling empowered? I would wake up at 5:30 a.m. and convince myself to go to work every day. I would leave the home around 6:30 a.m. and get my audiobook at the ready because I knew I would be spending the next few hours in traffic. It's likely similar for you. I would then arrive at work and put on a fake smile, wave to people that felt like complete strangers to me, sit in front of a computer screen for 8 hours, and occasionally change a printer cartridge here and there when needed. After a long day's work, it really gets me thinking about how fulfilled I actually am doing my work while I'm sitting through traffic on my way home. Maybe you do the same. I really started to realize that I had a problem when I would get home and the highlight of my day would be to switch on my computer, play video games, and eat supper. Oftentimes not even greeting my wife because that became the norm, to just do what we wanted to do when we got home. I knew I wasn't living my dream life. I was just doing what I was always told to do. Get a job, work hard, climb the ladder. Was this all there was to life? Is this why so many people split up? Because they would just become so disconnected from their spouse. But what were my options? I didn't want to reinvent myself or study for 4 years. I didn't have the money or knowledge to start my own business. I could get a higher paying job, but then I would be in the exact same situation as I already am. For a long time, I knew I needed to change, but I just had no idea where to start. So I started to look for people that had already achieved the life I wanted. And that's when I came across a community of digital entrepreneurs that were willing to teach me about this unknown world of starting an automated online business step by step and from scratch. And this did all the work for you, so you could spend your time doing the things you loved doing. So I reached out, and they sent me a workshop video series that showed me the exact steps I needed to take to start building my online business. And of course I was skeptical, but the videos were free. So I took a look and I judged for myself. And I am so grateful today that I did, because never in my dreams did I think I was capable of building an automated online business around my day job. Well, where do you start? Well, I'm excited to tell you that I managed to get those same workshop video series that I received for free, that I'm going to send directly to you, so you can get the same chance that I got to change your life. If this resonates with you, then you can click the link, enter your contact details on my website, so I have a way of sending those videos to you. And you will then be introduced to my mentor, Stuart, who will take you through the step-by-step process that you need to follow to take advantage of this digital economy we live in today. I will also regularly send you results that active members of this community are getting that are just like you and me. And remember that these videos are free, so don't be scared to take a look and judge for yourself. So click the link, enter your contact details, and I will have those videos flying your way. I will hear from you soon in your emails. Take care.